Hi, everyone. Good to see you all. Happy Friday. Um, or more importantly, happy Pizza Friday. I hope you all had a good first day yesterday. I know it was probably stressful and a lot, but I'm glad to see you all here today. And I'm hoping that you're having a good day today. Just as a reminder, make sure that your video is on starting Monday. It is mandatory. So I still see about 5 of you that don't have your video on, so make sure you put your video on. And then secondly, make sure that your name is underneath your video because that's how I'm going to take attendance. So far, so good in terms of usernames. If you need to change your username, you can click on participants and then find your name and then click the more, and it has an option to rename yourself, so you can do that if you need to. I'm going to take a quick moment to screenshot our attendance, and then we'll get started. All right, we're good to go. Let's go ahead and get started with class today. Friday. Let me go ahead and share my screen with you. Every day we do something called Good Things. So the way Good Things works is I choose 3 people each day to share a good thing that's happening in your life. It could be big, it could be small, but just something that makes you smile today. So my good thing today is that it is Pizza Friday, and I'm excited to order some pizza. And I just moved into a new apartment, so I'm excited to hang up some artwork on the walls and get it all set up. So that's my good thing. Today's good things, I'll give everyone a minute to think about what you would like to possibly share. All right, so today's good things are coming from Anam, Anel, and Bo. So let's start with Anam. Good thing.
Okay, so for me, a good thing is that today is Eid, which is a Muslim holiday that we celebrate. So I'm excited to hang out with my family today after school.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's great. Thank you for sharing. Anel, you're up.
Um, it's Friday.
It's Friday. Awesome. And did I pronounce your name correctly?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you for sharing. And then, Bo, what's your good thing?
It's gonna be the weekend.
It's going to be the weekend. You got anything planned for this weekend?
Not really.
Okay, very cool. Thank you for sharing. Monday, new people for good things. So that just keep in mind that that's something that we do every single day. On our agenda today, we have 2 things. So we're going to continue 2 truths and a lie because not everyone got to share yesterday. And then we're going to play a game today called 4 Fours. And we'll be utilizing the Zoom breakout rooms to do that. So let's go ahead and do 2 truths and a lie first. So again, I'm going to put up the Kahoot. So I'll give everyone a minute to log in, and we'll resume where we left off yesterday. All right, here is your code, and you'll have until 9:27.
Can we school dating?
1 more minute. All right, does anyone need more time to enter? Okay, I have slightly forgotten who shared yesterday, so I'm gonna call on you, and if you've already shared yesterday, then you can just pass it along. All right, so let's start with Anam, did you share yesterday? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go to Jaden. Jaden, have you shared?
No.
All right, Jaden, you're up.
I have a little sister. I'm 15 and I play football.
Okay, little sister 15 and plays football. All right, were we right?
Yeah, I don't have a little sister.
Okay, awesome. All right, let's go to Natalie. Did you go yesterday? Natalie, did you share yesterday? All right, we'll go back to Natalie. Ida, did you share yesterday?
Yeah, I already shared.
Okay. Natalie, did you share yesterday?
Yes.
Okay. Amani, did you share yesterday? All right, you're up next.
I have 5 siblings. I used to play volleyball, and my favorite color is green.
All right, 5 siblings used to play volleyball and green. All right, what was the lie, Amani?
I don't have 5 siblings.
Don't have 5 siblings. All right. Thank you for sharing. Conrad, did you go yesterday?
No.
All right, we're up next.
All right. I have 4 brothers. I've been to San Antonio and I'm left-handed.
4 brothers, been to San Antonio and left-handed.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Are we right?
I have 3 brothers.
You have 3 brothers. Okay, you are left-handed.
Yes.
Awesome. All right, Gavin, you're up next. Did you go yesterday?
Yeah, I went.
Okay, perfect. Jordan, did you go yesterday? Lexi, did you go yesterday? Tyler, did you go yesterday? All right, you're up. You're up.
I can speak French. I have a big sister and I have a dog.
Okay, she can speak French. All right, which one was your lie?
I can't speak French.
Can't speak French. All right. Elise, did you go yesterday?
Yeah.
Cool. Jaden, you just went. Nick, did you go yesterday?
Yeah, I already went.
Awesome. Bo, did you go yesterday?
No.
Okay, you're up next.
I like soccer. I like basketball. I like swimming.
Okay. All right, were we right, Bo?
Yeah, I don't like swimming. I can't swim.
You can't swim. Interesting. All right, thanks for sharing. Noah, have you gone yet?
No, I have not.
All right, you're up next.
I have a sister and a brother. I'm a middle child, and I have been in 4 states at once.
4 corners? Is that, I'm trying to think how you could be in 4 states at once, but that's what I'm guessing. All right. All right, which one was the lie, Noah?
I'm the youngest child.
Gotcha. Cool. Was the 4 states, were you in the 4 corners?
Yeah.
Very cool. All right. Dre, did you go yesterday?
No.
Okay, you're up next.
I'm 15 years old. I play football and I play basketball.
Okay. 15, football, and basketball. All right, which one was the lie, Dre?
I'm not 15,
How old are you?
16.
Okay, awesome. Thank you for sharing. Anel, did you go yesterday?
Yeah.
Cool. Christian, did you go yesterday?
Yeah.
Perfect. Ontario, did you go yesterday?
No.
All right, you're next.
I'm 16. I'm the youngest and I play football.
16, youngest, and plays football. All right, which one was the lie, Christian? Or not Christian, sorry, Ontario, my bad. Was looking at the wrong screen. Which one was the lie?
I'm the youngest.
You're the youngest. Are you the oldest?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now we're at Christian Offit. Now back on track. Did you go yesterday?
No.
All right, you're next.
All right. I got one little brother. I lived in Memphis and I like nachos.
Okay. All right, which one was the lie, Christian?
I got one little brother.
Okay. All right, thank you for sharing. Chris, have you gone yet?
No.
You're next.
All right. Are you ready for me to go right now?
Yep.
All right. I like country music. My favorite color blue. And I'm 16.
Okay. Which one was the lie?
The country music?
You don't like country music?
Not at all.
All right, cool. Thank you for sharing. Jerome, you're next. Did you go already?
I already shared.
You already said it? Okay.
Yeah.
Freslam, have you gone already?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And then Tia, have you gone already?
No.
All right, you're next.
I have a dog. I have one brother, and I like blue.
Okay, dog, one brother, and likes blue. All right, which one was the lie, Tia?
I ain't got a dog.
Okay, cool. I think that's everyone. Did I miss someone that didn't get to share yet? Okay, thank you all for participating. We'll be doing more icebreakers like that in the future. I want to quickly go over our game. Let me just clear this out from first period. Let's see. Give me just a minute to do that. All right. In the meantime, while I'm clearing this out, I'm going to attach a link in the chat to a Google Doc, and I need everyone to go ahead and click on that link, and you should be able to see the document that I'm currently sharing on my screen. So everyone take a moment and click on that link. And if you're having issues getting on that link, let me know and I'll help you out. All right. Is anyone having trouble finding the link or accessing the link?
What link was we supposed to click on?
If you open the chat, do you see the Google Doc that I just sent out? Anyone having issues logging in? Looks like most of you are in. Okay, so today we're going to be playing a game called 4-4. So for that, I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom. So forget about all the numbers at the top. Just go down to that last page where it says groups. That's where you should be right now.
So you want us to get on Google Docs?
Just click on the link that I put in the chat. It's a Google Doc. You don't have to.
I can't get it.
Were you not able to see the link?
I can see it, but it's not letting me click.
It's not letting you click it. Can you try copying it and then pasting it in your URL?
Yeah.
All right, so it looks like most people are there. Any other questions about how to access it? Okay, what we're gonna do now is I am going to give you a group. So you're gonna, in just a moment, be broken out into groups of 3 to 4 with other people in your class. When you get into your group, make sure to unmute yourself for discussion. And I want you to do the following 3 things. I'm gonna type it in the chat so you know what you're supposed to be doing. Number 1, I want you to come up with a group name. Number 2, I want you to choose a group color. And number 3, I want you to designate a typer, so only one person in each group should be typing on the Google Doc. And the typer is going to type the group name in the group color underneath the group's one color sign. So what that means, let's say that I was in a group and I'm the designated typer. Let's say that we decided our group name is Ninja Turtles and our group color is green. So underneath groups, I'm going to write, I want green. I'm gonna write Ninja Turtles. And that's it. That's the only place that I should be writing down my group name. If you've seen a group that's already has your color, choose a different color. I don't want any repeats on colors. Any questions about what you should be doing in 2 minutes? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and break you out into groups, and then you'll have 2 minutes to do those 3 things. So choose a group name, choose a group color, and then have a designated typer that's going to go ahead and type that in underneath where it says groups. Do not touch any part of the Google Doc up here where it has the numbers. You should only be typing where it says groups. All right? Okay, you should be getting this breakout room notification in just a second. Sorry, y'all. I combined your groups together since you only had 2 each.
Okay. All right.
All right, looks like we have everyone back. So I'm going to go ahead. See that everyone has got their groups down. Fantastic. And I'm going to go ahead and explain the game to you. So the name of the game is 4-4. So the objective is to use 4 4s to create the numbers from 1 through 20. So how does that look? I'll show you an example. All right, so let's say that I want to create the number 1. So I'm going to think about what combination of 4 4s can I use to get 1. Well, I could do 4 divided by 4. That'll give me 1. But I only have 2 4s, but I need to get up to 4 4s. So if I already have 4 divided by 4, which is 1, I could add 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. And then I can subtract 4. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So that's one way that I could get 4 different 4s arranged so that it equals 1. Another thing I could do, I could think about, okay, what happens if I add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? That would give me 16. So if I figured out a combination for 16, I'm going to write it down under here. So I could do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So you're going to try different combinations of 4 4s. You can use any operation you want. Let's go ahead and talk about some operations that we could use. So if you have an operation, one example of an operation is plus, adding. Go ahead and unmute yourself if you want to share another operation.
Subtraction.
Subtraction is one, great. Anything else?
Division.
Multiplication.
Multiplication, to do multiplication on the computer, you can do Shift 8 to get that little asterisk, awesome. Anything else?
Division.
Division, awesome. Anything else? Okay, so this is where your designated typer comes in. The designated typer should be the only one that's typing on the Google Doc, and you're going to be typing with your color. So if I'm Ninja Turtles and we chose green, then my designated typer is going to type for the group in green. Some numbers have different combinations. So you could have multiple ways to get 1, for example, or multiple ways to get 2. So if you've seen a group that's already written down a combination, but you have a different combination, feel free to write your combination underneath. And we'll see which group can get the most amount of combinations. Any questions? Okay, I'm going to put you back in your breakout rooms, and I'm going to be joining each group, so don't get alarmed if I pop into your breakout group. But let's go ahead and get started if there are no further questions. Okay, you should be getting into your groups now. Are we doing any questions?
Can you do a fraction on here?
What are you thinking?
Like 4 divided by 4, and then like fraction 4 over 4.
Yeah, that'll work. That counts as 2 4s. Any other questions?
No.
So we can come up with any number or?
As long as it's 4 4s, yep.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna leave you all. Well, let me know if you have any questions in the chat.
but it's got to be our color. Crud. My brain hurts.
How are we doing?
Good. So
Good.
we just did the equations on like any number.
What do you need?
Like, I'm just confused.
Okay, so just choose 4 fours, right? You need to use 4 different fours, and then see what types of operations, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, that you could do. And whatever it equals, you're gonna type that in next to that number.
Oh, okay. It's whatever equals. I got you.
All right, Gil, I'm gonna pop back in a little bit later. Are there any questions before I leave? Good. Cool. See you later.
After the equal sign. Do 4 times 4 divided by 4 or something like that. Is that 4 times 4? Yeah. You gotta have 4 fours, right? Oh, we gotta have 4. Oh, we gotta have 4 fours. Okay. Let me set up.
Y'all doing all right? Any questions? Sounds good so far.
4 times 0.
How are we doing? Any questions?
Nope.
No.
Cool.
Yeah, we straight.
Awesome.
It like kicked me from the current like session. You're muted.
Oh, sorry. Got it. Did you get a breakout session?
Yeah, I was with I think Ontario and I forget the other one. But
Anna?
it just kicked me like from the thing.
Okay, let me, it says you haven't joined, but did you get a notification yet?
No.
Okay.
I was in one, but it just like completely just like exited out of Zoom.
Can you try closing Zoom and logging back in, and then I'll see if I can move you back to that group.
Yeah.
All right, Gavin, I'm going to try to put you back in the group. So let's see if it works.
All right.
How are we doing over here in this group?
Good. We kind of confused though.
What are you guys confused about?
So we're supposed to use fours to equal the number that we're supposed to put it next to.
Yeah, so you can only use 4 fours.
All right.
Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Cool.
Girl, move around.
Is in between 20?
I think, I'm not sure.
How you guys doing?
I have a question. So, are we just using like numbers that with 4 that are in that add up and end up between something, with 4?
So you're trying to use 4 fours to create each of these numbers. So for example, if you're trying to have it equal 1, you could do 4 divided by 4, which is 1, plus 4, which is 5, minus 4, which ends up equaling 1. Or the person that put it down for number 2, right? They did 4 divided by 4, which is 1, plus 4 divided by 4, which is also 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Does that make sense?
Kind of.
So you want to use 4 fours and then change up the operations in between them
Uh-huh.
to equal each of these numbers.
All right.
Make sure you all are using 4 fours as well. I think you guys did the 4 divided by 4. That's only 2 fours. You want to have 4 fours.
So could you do 4 divided by 4 plus 4 minus 4?
That'll work.
Okay, I understand now.
Awesome, awesome.
I got a question.
What's up?
So can I do 4 plus 4 plus 4 subtraction square root of 4?
Beautiful. Yes, absolutely. Square root is a sneaky one that you can absolutely use.
Why can't
But
we?
I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to put it
How to
on
type
Google.
it in.
Yes.
I would just type in SQRT because that symbol is not on your normal keyboard.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions?
No, ma'am.
All right. Ooh, time's up. Let's go ahead and close all the rooms. All right, y'all. I think the bell rang just a minute earlier than it was supposed to, but I just want to go over your homework for tonight. Remember your supplies. You need them by Monday. The notes for Monday are already up on Canvas. So you don't have to print them out, but it is helpful if you do print them out. It's under the homepage. If you click current lesson, you should be able to see the notes. Sorry, one sec. And your homework tonight, just make sure you've turned in the 2020-2021 syllabus receipt by 11:59 p.m. Any questions? I'll hang around here. If you have any questions, you can stick around. If not, feel free to log off and I will see you on
I have a question.
Yeah, what's up?
So, where do you go to print out the notes? Like, is it already on Canvas?
Yeah, so if you go to Canvas and where's your class? Algebra 2 Fall. So remember this second button takes you to the module section, which is the current lesson. And so Monday is August 3rd. Those are the notes for August 3rd.
Okay, thank you.
Any other questions?
That's it.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, you can feel free to log off if you are good to go. I'll stick around a couple more minutes if anyone has any questions.
So the homework is Unit 3, right? That's all.
The homework tonight, just make sure you've turned in the syllabus receipt, the Google form, and then just get ready for Monday by printing out those notes.
Alrighty. Okay.